Welcome to Homes Decor Designs, your go-to channel for all things home decor and design. Today, we delve into a realm that seamlessly blends the comfort of our interiors with the beauty of the natural world, the modern outdoor living space design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Modern outdoor living space design. This concept transcends mere patio furniture and potted plants. It represents a deliberate extension of our lifestyle and aesthetic sensibilities into the open air. To begin, let us define what truly constitutes a modern outdoor living space. At its core, it is an intentionally designed area that functions as an extension of the home's interior, offering a cohesive and stylish environment for relaxation, dining, entertaining, and recreation. The modern aspect of this space is characterized by clean lines, minimalist design principles, the use of contemporary materials such as metal, glass, and sleek composites, and a focus on functionality and seamless integration with the surrounding environment. Unlike traditional outdoor setups that might prioritize purely utilitarian aspects, a modern outdoor living space emphasizes both aesthetic appeal and practical usability. It's about creating an outdoor room, be it a patio, deck, balcony, or even a portion of a garden, that feels as thoughtfully designed and comfortable as any interior space within your home. This often involves considering elements like outdoor kitchens, comfortable lounge areas, integrated lighting, and even outdoor entertainment systems, all while maintaining a sophisticated and uncluttered aesthetic. The advantages of cultivating a modern outdoor living space are manifold, extending beyond mere visual appeal. Firstly, it significantly expands your living area. By creating a comfortable and functional outdoor zone, you effectively gain an extra room that can be utilized for various activities, thereby increasing the overall usable square footage of your property. Secondly, a well-designed modern outdoor space offers profound health and well-being benefits. Spending time outdoors has been proven to reduce stress, improve mood, and increase vitamin D levels through sunlight exposure. Having an inviting and comfortable outdoor area encourages more frequent engagement with nature, fostering a greater sense of tranquility and well-being. Furthermore, a thoughtfully executed modern outdoor living space serves as an exceptional venue for social gatherings and entertaining. Whether hosting intimate dinners or larger celebrations, a stylish and functional outdoor area provides a unique and appealing setting that can enhance the overall experience for your guests. Beyond personal enjoyment and social benefits, investing in a modern outdoor living space can also increase the property value of your home. A well-designed and maintained outdoor area is a significant asset that can attract potential buyers and set your property apart in the market. Finally, it allows for a deeper connection with nature without sacrificing comfort and style. By blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living, you can enjoy the beauty of your surroundings in a sophisticated and comfortable manner. How do I decorate my modern outdoor living space to look good? Achieving a visually appealing and functional modern outdoor living space requires careful consideration of several key decorating principles. Start by defining the purpose of your space. Will it primarily be for dining, lounging, cooking, or a combination? Understanding its primary function will guide your furniture and accessory choices. Embrace minimalism and clean lines. Opt for furniture with simple silhouettes and avoid clutter. Less is often more in modern design. Utilize a neutral color palette as your base, incorporating shades of gray, white, black, and natural tones. You can then introduce pops of color through cushions, throws, or outdoor artwork. Select durable and weather-resistant materials that align with the modern aesthetic, such as powder-coated aluminum, teak, concrete, and high-quality outdoor fabrics. Pay close attention to zoning your space. Create distinct areas for different activities, such as a dining zone with a table and chairs, and a relaxation zone with comfortable seating. Incorporate strategic lighting to enhance both ambience and functionality. Consider a mix of ambient lighting, string lights, lanterns, task lighting, outdoor floor lamps, and accent lighting, uplights for plants or architectural features. Introduce natural elements such as potted plants, water features, or even a small herb garden to connect the space with the outdoors. Choose accessories thoughtfully. Opt for a few high-quality pieces like outdoor rugs, sculptures, or decorative pillows that complement the overall modern aesthetic. Finally, ensure cohesion with your home's interior. Aim for a visual flow between your indoor and outdoor spaces through similar design elements, materials, or color palettes. What are the best items for a modern outdoor living space? Selecting the right items is crucial for creating a functional and stylish modern outdoor living space. Here are some of the best items to consider. First, modular outdoor sofa. Offers flexibility in configuration and provides comfortable seating for lounging and entertaining. Look for clean lines and durable, weather-resistant upholstery. Second, sleek outdoor dining table and chairs. Choose a table made from materials like glass, concrete, or powder-coated metal paired with minimalist chairs. Third, outdoor rug. Defines the seating or dining area, adds texture and visual interest, and provides a more comfortable surface underfoot. Opt for durable, weather-resistant materials like polypropylene. Fourth, modern outdoor lighting. Includes stylish pendant lights, wall sconces, floor lamps, and string lights to create ambience and extend the usability of the space into the evening. Fifth, fire pit or outdoor heater. Extends the usability of your outdoor space into cooler months and provides a focal point for gatherings. Consider gas or wood-burning options with a contemporary design. Sixth, stylish planters. Incorporate greenery with modern planters made from materials like concrete, ceramic, or metal. Choose plants that thrive in your local climate. Seventh, outdoor bar cart. Provides a convenient and stylish way to serve drinks and snacks outdoors. Look for sleek designs with durable materials. Eighth, weather-resistant throw pillows and blankets. Add comfort and pops of color to your seating areas. Choose fabrics specifically designed for outdoor use. Ninth, outdoor speakers. Integrate a discrete sound system for background music or outdoor movie nights. Consider wireless or weatherproof options. 10th, modern shade structure. Provides protection from the sun and rain. Options include pergolas with retractable canopies, sleek umbrellas, or architectural shade sails. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, hear these the compilation of the top 10 best modern outdoor living space ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. The Minimalist Lounge. Focus on a few key pieces of comfortable, low-profile seating in neutral tones, paired with a simple coffee table and minimal decor. Emphasize open space and clean lines. 2. The Outdoor Dining Oasis. Create a dedicated dining area with a stylish table and comfortable chairs. Incorporate subtle lighting and perhaps a small outdoor rug to define the space. 3. The Urban Balcony Retreat. Maximize a small balcony with compact, multifunctional furniture, vertical planting, and soft lighting to create a cozy and modern escape. 4. The Poolside Chic. Design a sophisticated lounging area around a pool with sleek sun loungers, side tables, and perhaps a cabana for shade. Use durable and water-resistant materials. 5. The Integrated Outdoor Kitchen. Extend your indoor kitchen outdoors with a built-in grill, countertop space, and bar seating. Use modern materials like stainless steel and concrete. 6. The Garden Lounge. Blend your seating area seamlessly with the surrounding greenery. Choose furniture in natural tones and incorporate plenty of potted plants and subtle lighting. 7. The Fire Pit Gathering Space. Create a focal point with a modern fire pit surrounded by comfortable seating. Use natural materials like stone or concrete for the fire pit and durable outdoor fabrics for the seating. 8. The covered patio extension. Design a covered patio or veranda that truly feels like an extension of your indoor living space. Use similar flooring, lighting, and decor to create a seamless transition. 9. The rooftop terrace. Transform a rooftop into a stylish urban oasis with comfortable seating, planters, and potentially a small bar area. Consider the views and incorporate elements that enhance them. 10. The multifunctional deck. Design a deck with distinct zones for dining, lounging, and perhaps even a small outdoor workspace. Use modular furniture and clear zoning to maximize functionality. Crafting a modern outdoor living space is an investment in your lifestyle and the value of your home. By understanding the principles of modern design, carefully selecting the right elements, and thoughtfully arranging your space, you can create an outdoor retreat that is both aesthetically pleasing and incredibly functional. We encourage you to take inspiration from the ideas discussed today and embark on the journey of transforming your outdoor areas. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more expert tips and inspiration on creating beautiful living spaces, both indoors and out. Thank you for watching. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.